The twist, the swing and the spin is all set to make a grand comeback. No, we aren't talking about the ubiquitous cricket ball, but the dance bars of Mumbai. In a decision that has brought smiles to many faces and will soon bring foot-tapping tango in many bars in the megacity, the Supreme Court on Thursday stayed the operation of 2014 amendment in the Maharashtra Police Act. The amendment had prohibited dance performances at beer bars and restaurants. Now, the Supreme Court order has paved the way for reopening of dance bars across the state. After a detailed argument, the Apex Court Division Bench comprising Justices Deepak Mishra and Prafulla Pant passed the order.
आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने स्टे ऑर्डर ग्रांट किया है कि वो 33A स्टे रहेगा, तो यानी कि अब पॉसिबल है कि डांस किया जा सकता है महाराष्ट्र के रेस्टोरेंट्स में। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने अभी ऑब्जर्वेशन दिया कि लाइवलीहुड का इशू है और अब पर अभी सब कुछ सुप्रीम कोर्ट 5 नवंबर को फाइनल हियरिंग पे कंसिडर करेगा।
However, the court has added a rider also, making it clear that the dance performances should not be obscene. It has also instructed the Maharashtra government to ensure that the dignity of women artists and performers is protected. Both the state government and the dance bar owners have acknowledged the Apex Court's order and are promising to follow it in letter and spirit.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जो भी ऑर्डर किया है, जो भी कंडीशन डाली हो, मैंने पढ़ी नहीं है, लेकिन हमें इतना विश्वास है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट कोई भी अनरीजनेबल कंडीशन नहीं डालेगी। जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कंडीशन डाली होंगी इन द लार्जर इंटरेस्ट ऑफ सोसाइटी होंगी, हमें मंजूर है।
डांस बार के बारे में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जो स्थगनादेश दिया है, अभी मेरे पास उसकी प्राथमिक जानकारी है, जिसमें मुझे ये बताया गया है कि इस प्रकार का स्थगनादेश देते समय वहां पर ऑब्सिनिटी न हो, इस दृष्टि से रेगुलेट करने का अधिकार राज्य सरकार का सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने अबाधित रखा है और इसलिए उसका उपयोग हम लोग करेंगे।
Maharashtra government had brought an amendment in 2005 which was challenged in High Court by an association representing restaurant bars. The Bombay High Court in 2006 had quashed the government's decision and declared the provision as unconstitutional. In 2013, the Supreme Court upheld the Bombay High Court verdict, quashing the state government's order, and had said that the ban violated the constitutional right to earn a living, after which the state government brought in another amendment. For now, the dance is all set to return to the city and its dance bars. Newsnight Desk, DD News.